The Afloia 2-in-1 Air Purifier and Humidifier combines two essential home devices into a single, efficient unit, providing both air cleaning and humidification in one compact machine. Its innovative three-stage filtration system, featuring a prefilter, activated carbon filter, and a HEPA filter, ensures comprehensive air purification that effectively tackles pet hair, smoke, and odors in spaces up to 219 square feet. Using an evaporative principle, the humidifier component delivers pure humidification by converting water into nano-water molecules, ensuring no mist or water leakage while maintaining a healthy environment. With a soothing 7-color light feature and 3 different light modes, it provides an ambient atmosphere that can enhance relaxation during sleep while silently purifying the air. The device includes a convenient filter replacement alert system, notifying users when it is time to change the filter after approximately 2,200 hours of operation, ensuring optimal performance. The modular design allows for the humidifier to be easily attached or detached, offering flexibility in use while maintaining the air purifier's functionality independently.